What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. I bring to you today a brand new house that I discovered via Instagram. I reached out to them and they sent me this particular bottle as a gift to review, and of course, no strings attached. So, all my opinion that I'm gonna give you right now, my first impression and unboxing, is unbiased. So, the perfumer, they are based out of London, England. They make everything, and all the compounding, bottling, and packaging is done right here in Houston, Texas. It's a black owned business. The owner's name is Shawn. He's a chemical engineer and he is very passionate about fragrances. So let's see what Shawn has been cooking for all of us. And if you're a first-time visitor on my channel, please make sure you don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Now, of course, I will leave the fragrance company's website in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. They cost about $65 each. They come in 30 ml bottles, and I believe this is a 30 ml package that they sent me. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So I reached out to them and they were very kind enough to send me this bottle for reviewing. Let's see what it's all about. I did reach out to them asking them what was the inspiration for the company's name, One Fragrance House. And what they told me was they intended to create a one specific fragrance that's memorable. People remember it and it's a unique experience. That was the fundamental goal for their company. So I unboxed this and packaged it right now. So there's the 30 ml bottle. I think the bottle got loose inside because of the shipping. They did send me, I don't know how much these are, but maybe I'm assuming maybe 8 ml size. These are like sample vials. I believe, yep, that's an atomizer right there. So thank you so much, One Fragrance House. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, although this is a gifted bottle, I'm not gonna give you any biased outcomes over here. So first time opening something from the house of One Fragrance House. Let's see what they have made, what Shawn has been cooking for us in that laboratory. Alright, so the package comes like this. It's cellophane wrapped. And ladies and gentlemen, I highly recommend that you go ahead and check them out. Not because they sent me something, but because they're a new brand, new house. Encourage them. I don't think 30 ml for $65, I don't think it's too much, because sometimes we spend way more money for a lot less amount of stuff. So go ahead and support them. So the fragrance they send me a full bottle of, it's called Elite Noir. I gotta be careful because the bottle's moving around. Yep, it was moving around. So let me just place it back. So the bottle sits like that inside the notch. I must say the packaging feels pretty premium. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it does feel good in your hands. Like to the touch, it has that quality feel to it. These are 30 ml bottles, and as per the website, I see the notes on the top are lavender, pineapple, and bergamot. On the mids, they have got geranium and coumarin. On the base, they've got tonka bean and sandalwood. And this is Elite Noir. Let's see what this is all about. The bottle looks pretty nice though, I must say. It's got a nice magnetic cap. That's a great touch. And it does feel good to the hand. Let's go ahead and spray this baby. Let's find out how it smells. I'm gonna go directly on skin. Again, this is the first time smelling, so I will be giving you my full review once I've done several full wearings. So bear with me, guys. Here goes. Let's first check, is there any leaks? Yep, no leaks, all good. Okay, atomizer's got pretty wide distribution. So you see, like, how many sprays did I do? Like 5 or 6 or 7? So it shoots out quite the amount of juice. So you gotta spray from far away so that, you know, it covers a bigger area. These are eau de parfum concentrations. This is Elite Noir. Let's see. Interesting. So right off the bat, I get this very nice, pleasant lavender. So it's almost to like a floral quality, not your sharp lavender. Almost has that nice barbershop, gentlemanly kind of vibe. Kind of has that cooling sensation. Although it says pineapple and bergamot, I think it's gonna take a while to open up. I'll just check, keep on sniffing, let's see. So it feels like the citrus part, the fruity citrus part, is working in conjunction with the lavender, and it's smelling mighty fine. This is a very easy to wear fragrance. I mean, I was under the impression Elite Noir, it's probably gonna be something smoky, dark, but it's not. Very clean, fresh kind of feeling. Almost has that soapy kind of quality. Not exactly soapy, but almost like a barbershop fougere, but it's not. I would say it's almost like a more modern fougere side. So it's kind of like somewhere between like a shower gel, soapy kind of vibe, and something like a fougere barbershop kind of feel. Very pleasant though. Some floral nuances coming through. I must say one thing, like I'm not sure if this fragrance needs to sit for a while or not. I will certainly let it sit for a while, but when I sprayed it, it was very airy, very light. So I guess it's probably the initial alcohol blast that's coming through, but it's slowly intensifying. There's a sweet, mild, almost like a effervescent kind of sweetness coming through. I believe it's coming from the tonka bean. Some creaminess also, definitely the tonka and sandalwood combo. Now one might be wondering, hey Brian, it's got pineapple, it's got bergamot, it's talking about tonka, it's talking about sandalwood. Does it smell anything close to Aventus? No sir, it's not. It's very different. It sits more closer to the skin, and in my opinion, this is something you would use on a very hot and humid day. Something for your office, something that's light. You do not need like a monster projector. You don't need something that's very loud. This is something a perfect gentleman would wear. Suit, dressed up, put this on, go do your business. Now only full wearings is gonna tell me how long this thing lasts, but I believe this is more on the airy side, and of course I'm gonna let this one sit for a while before I go for my full wearings. But overall, like as a scent profile, it's smelling good. It's actually smelling very good. So guys, that was my first and honest take on One Fragrance House's Elite Noir. This is a first impression and unboxing. This is a brand new house. Go ahead and show them some support. It's a black-owned business. They compound and bottle and package everything right here in Houston, Texas. And once again, for full disclaimer, this was a gifted bottle, but without any strings attached. And I must say, it smells really nice though. Smelling good. So I will give you my full and honest thoughts once I've done full wearings. And until the next one guys, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.